Hello everybody! We've been getting a lot of questions recently with regards to the express entry system and specifically what counts for the foreign work experience points. So Elizabeth, can you tell us a little bit about the foreign work experience?
Right, so foreign work experience is work experience that is high skilled, and it's work experience that you would have gained either when you're outside of Canada, or it could be even if you're inside Canada and you're working for an employer who is outside of Canada. This work experience has to be high skilled. It has to be within the last 10 years of the date that you apply. But it could be non-continuous, it could be self-employed. It has to be overall the full-time hours, but you can add part-time hours together, and it could be in different occupations.
What are some of the issues that we're seeing?
One of the issues that we are finding is a lot of times people are applying for study permits and they're applying for work permits or even visas when you're applying to, temporary resident visas as visitors to come to Canada. A lot of times you may not think that you're going to declare all of your work experience. However, when you want to claim the points and you're saying, well, I did this work, there are oftentimes issues with misrepresentation. Why didn't you declare it on the previous form? If the form said, provide me with all of your work experience in the last 10 years, and you didn't specify this, and especially now you want to gain advantage by claiming the points. Are you lying now on the application, or are you lying before? Are you misrepresenting? So that's something that must be dealt with, especially if you're going to be claiming points for express entry.
I think another issue that we're also seeing with foreign work experience, especially when you're inside of Canada and working at the same time for another position here, is having simultaneous work experiences where officers are reviewing your application and questioning how you're able to work in multiple positions at the same time. Right?
Yes.
Especially if you're working a full-time role here in Canada and on top of that doing some foreign work experience at the same time.
Absolutely. The thing with work experience is, unfortunately, there are a lot of people who have been counseled by unscrupulous consultants or other kinds of people who are telling them to misrepresent. And unfortunately, immigration now is suspecting that for many people who genuinely actually have that work experience. So it's important to have the evidence to support your claims as well. And if you have any more questions about your applications, you know who to call. Take care, everyone.
Thank you.